What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ray, and today we back with another video. As you can see, I got the header for the car, so we're gonna throw that on the motor. We're gonna throw the clutch and the pressure plate back on, and we're gonna put the motor back in the car. So let's jump right into it. Alright guys, don't be like me. I bought a cheap header. It was $100 and the fitment was not right. I couldn't get the motor mount around the exhaust manifold the way it's supposed to sit. So I just had to do exactly what I didn't want to do, but I drilled out those two bolts that was stuck in the old header, and I mounted the blocking plate onto the old header. So we're just going to throw the old one back on, and we're going to get this motor put in. Alright guys, got the exhaust on, got the clutch on. It's time to throw this thing back in the car. Alright guys, so I spent all this time putting the motor in, only to realize that it wasn't recording. So I dropped the ball on that one, but as you can see, making some real progress here, and we're gonna keep it moving. Alright guys, I got the motor mounts in on both sides, so all we gotta do is put the wheels back on and put the car back on the ground. But the motor is in there. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the car back on the ground. The motor is in, still far from running. Still got a lot we gotta do before we can start it up, but got the motor back in the car. And you know, we're making a lot of progress. But that's all I got for today, so make sure you guys leave a like, leave a comment, and stay tuned for what we got coming next.